The Komatsu 9115X3M 2011 stands out as a groundbreaking addition to Farming Simulator 22, featured exclusively in the Platinum expansion. Introduced as the game's first tracked log harvester of its kind, this machine holds a significant place in virtual forestry operations, particularly as the starting harvester in the challenging terrain of Silver Run Forest. Under the hood, the Komatsu 911.5X3M packs a formidable punch with its 168 kilo, 228 HP power output, ensuring it can handle the demanding tasks of harvesting timber with ease. Its variable CVT transmission enhances efficiency, allowing for seamless adjustment of speed and power delivery according to the terrain and load conditions. This flexibility not only improves operational effectiveness, but also reduces fuel consumption, thanks to its sizable 370-liter fuel tank. Weighing in at 24.5 tons, the harvester maintains stability and durability, essential for navigating rugged terrain and managing heavy logs. Its cutting-edge chopping width of 65 cm enables swift and precise timber processing, essential for maximizing productivity in the forest environment. Whether it's felling, delimbing, or bucking, the Komatsu 911.5X3M proves to be a versatile tool capable of meeting the diverse challenges posed by forestry operations. The Logset 12H GTE Hybrid isn't just a harvester. It's a revolutionary leap forward in forestry technology, designed to dominate large-scale harvesting operations with unparalleled efficiency and power. At its core lies groundbreaking hybrid technology, seamlessly integrating fuel efficiency with formidable performance. This machine doesn't compromise on strength either, boasting double-circuit hydraulics that ensure reliability under the toughest conditions. With a robust crane and a transmission system built to withstand the rigors of forestry work, the Logset 12H GTE Hybrid is more than capable of handling heavy-duty tasks with ease. It navigates rough terrains effortlessly, thanks to its advanced engineering and superior traction. What sets this friendly giant apart is its ability to enhance productivity while minimizing environmental impact, setting new standards for sustainable forestry practices. From its innovative features to its reliability in the field, the Logset 12H GTE Hybrid represents the pinnacle of modern forestry equipment, redefining the boundaries of what a harvester can achieve in terms of performance, efficiency, and environmental stewardship. Introducing the Noosan Forest 264 HVT, a cutting-edge forestry machine that embodies innovation and reliability. This new design integrates Noosan's proven parallel crane technology, aimed at enhancing power density and operator comfort while addressing customer feedback from across the globe. The development focus includes improved ergonomics and maintainability, ensuring optimal operational efficiency in demanding forestry environments. True to the Noosan Forest philosophy, the 264 HVT offers versatility with optional configurations for its crane, accommodating various heads and control systems to meet diverse operational needs. Its primary objective is efficient trunk processing, handling diameters of up to 95 centimeters with precision and ease. Equipped with a slope compensator, the 264 HVT features a robust +25° tilt capability at the front and +15° on each side, ensuring stability on uneven terrain. Unlike its predecessor, this model introduces an automatic slope compensator, further enhancing operational ease and efficiency. With a compact 2.95-meter width, tight tail swing, and low center of gravity, the machine excels in confined spaces, guaranteeing maneuverability and stability characteristic of Noosan machines. The Noosan Forest 264 HVT represents a new standard in forestry equipment, combining advanced technology with practical design elements to meet the rigorous demands of modern forestry operations. Introducing the TigerCat LS855C, a specialized forest duty carrier designed for rigorous forestry operations. Built with purpose, the LS855C series excels in felling, bunching, and shoveling timber across challenging terrains such as steep slopes, soft ground, and environmentally sensitive areas. Whether equipped with a grapple or directional felling saw, this machine delivers exceptional performance and versatility to meet the demands of modern forestry practices. For enhanced functionality and visibility, the LS855C offers an optional 355mm extended pedestal undercarriage, ensuring operators have optimal control and maneuverability in diverse forest environments. This feature, combined with TigerCat's renowned durability and reliability, makes the LS855C a trusted choice among forestry professionals seeking efficiency and effectiveness in timber harvesting operations. The TigerCat LS855C sets a high standard in forestry carriers, combining robust design with advanced features to maximize productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Introducing the Ponce Ergo 8W, a powerhouse designed for efficiency in challenging terrains, particularly on sloping sites. This 8-wheeled forestry harvester has been optimized to deliver superior pulling force, boasting a 14% increase compared to its predecessors. Equipped with balanced bogies, the Ergo 8W ensures exceptional hill climbing capabilities, making it ideal for demanding forestry operations. With dimensions measuring 8,055 mm in length and a variable width of 2,630 mm to 2,140 meters, the Ergo 8W accommodates transportation heights up to 3,800 mm. Its substantial ground clearance of 600 mm enhances maneuverability over rough terrain, while weighing between 19,100 kilos at minimum and 20,500 kilos typically, ensuring stability and durability during intensive harvesting tasks. Powered by a Mercedes-Benz OM906 LA engine, generating 205 kilowatt-hours, 275 HP of power, and 100 Nm motors, 811 lb-ft of torque at 1/200 to 1/500 RPM, the Ergo 8W delivers robust performance and efficiency. Its impressive tractive force of 180 kN allows it to handle heavy loads with ease, while maintaining lower surface pressure compared to similar 6-wheeled machines. Introducing the TigerCat LS855E, a robust forestry machine designed to deliver exceptional performance and reliability in demanding environments. Equipped with a TigerCat FPT N67 Tier 4F engine, the LS855E boasts a power output of 212 kilowatt-hours, 284 HP, at 2,200 RPM, rated, ensuring powerful operation for a wide range of forestry applications. Alternatively, operators can opt for a Tier 2 or non-certified engine configuration, providing flexibility to meet regional emission requirements and operational preferences. The LS855E features advanced air filtration with a pre-cleaner and 2-stage engine air cleaner, along with a robust cooling system comprising an aluminum side-by-side radiator, oil cooler, charge air cooler, and a removable intake debris screen. A hydraulically driven fan with automatic variable speed and reversing cycle enhances cooling efficiency, crucial for sustained performance in challenging conditions. With a fuel capacity of 800 liters and a DEF, diesel exhaust fluid, capacity of 80 liters, the LS855E ensures extended operation between refueling and DF replenishment, optimizing productivity in the field. This machine is designed to excel in terrain where others struggle, thanks to its combination of power, efficiency, and durability. Introducing the Sampo Rosenlew 1046 Pro, a robust harvester designed for efficient forestry operations. This 2009 model, located in Boisbriand, Quebec, Canada, has accumulated 11,018 operational hours and is equipped to handle demanding harvesting tasks with ease. Powered by a 97 HP, 7134 kWh 6U diesel engine, the Sampo Rosenlew 1046 Pro features reliable performance tailored for forestry applications. It comes equipped with essential accessories including a Keto K55 Supreme 2009 harvester head, Kesla H671 2009 harvester boom, and a Motomit IT 6.5 computer, ensuring versatility and productivity in the field. Key equipment features include a cab with air conditioning for operator comfort, a 7.13-meter boom range, and 4x4 traction capability, enhancing maneuverability and operational efficiency across varied terrain. Ideal for forestry professionals seeking a dependable harvester, the Sampo Rosenlew W1046 Pro combines durability, performance, and advanced technology to tackle forestry challenges effectively. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you liked the video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell button to receive notifications about the latest videos.